In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to enable and use layout grids in Figma, both for mobile and desktop designs. Let's get started. So the first one we are going to do is that's for the mobile. So I'm going to go to frame here and then move to the right panel and select iPhone 14 and 15 Pro Max. Alright, so depending on the frame you want to use. So I'm going back to the right panel. I'll scroll down and then locate layout guide, and then I'll click the plus sign beside it. All right, so you can see the menu that appeared. I'm going to go to grid and go to columns. All right, most designers use a count of 4 and then a margin of 16 and that of 8 px for the gutters for their designs. Okay, so one thing layout grid does is that it helps with alignment of your elements, okay, to bring out some consistency in your designs. All right, so you can always go back to the icon over here and do any change you want to do on your mobile frame. Now let's go to the desktop. So I'm going back to the frame. All right, then I'm going to locate the desktop over here. Okay, now I'm going to click on desktop. All right, as you can see over here. So I'm going to go back to the right panel and then go to layout guide again, click the plus sign beside it and go to grid and then move to columns. All right, so this time around designers typically use a column of 12, a count of 12. All right, and then a margin of 24 px and then a gutter of 24 px for their designs in terms of the desktop. All right, so layout grids help maintain balance and structure in your UI. They ensure text, buttons and sections align perfectly, making your designs look clean and professional. Now that's it. That's how you enable and use layout grids in Figma for both mobile and desktop. If you found this helpful, subscribe for more quick UI UX tutorial every week. Thank you.